Don't try to raise your hand trying to catch the bird. It's for your safety and for our bird safety. All of us, we agree on this. Let the show begin. Can you do that? Yes? Let's try this. Can everyone guess? Dogs. Correct. Our first
इधर आओ मम्मा come here. Duck. What is that?
Water means
Yes, duck in the water. Duck.
just like here, they feel more comfortable. And if you can take a look on the kids, the two-top paddle that will help them to swim in water and even in cold water. Amazing, right? Put your hand together for our dogs. Waiting for this scene to go on. They are enjoying the water. Okay, put your hand together for our
Yeah.
Here is the voice of mommy. We encourage natural behavior of our natural animal. 3 volunteers to be with me on stage. 3 adults. Yes, please. Yes, ma'am, in the back. And who else? One more. Yes, ma'am. Can join me now on stage? 3 person only. 1, 2, 3, the lady. Yeah. Only 3. The lady. Yeah, thank you. Come on, stop. Come on, show them the natural behavior. Hold on from one branch to another. One more time. Can we do it one more time? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Seriously, oh my god.
Great job. Thank you. Put your hand together for our children with our trainer and please join us in and enjoy the next competition. Thank you. From the home of the watch, because these birds, they are well attached to the trainer. They can stay with the trainer a lifetime. The Tibetan here we have Major Michelle with trainer Fatma. And here we have
Wow, parrot.
These birds, they have a very loud sound. We can hear the sound for children interact process. And you see this thing on their head, we call it stress. So when they are happy or sad, they will be very backward. You know the cockatoos, they are like small babies. They need a lot of attention. So if you have a cockatoo, better to stay with them long time. Now, time for them to go home. But for sure, we stay with them very long. Put your hand together for our cockatoo. Now, during the segment, our raven, Midnight, will show us now where to disclose the nest. Watch
Wow.
This is Midnight, our raven. Now he will show us where he will disclose the nest on the correct trash. Watch it out. Good job. One more. We have 2 left. Okay, inside the last one. Good job. Great. So, our ambassador of segregation show us now where to dispose our nest because we widespread nowadays. So Midnight can do it. So can we? Now put your hand together for Midnight, our raven. Now let's move on. follow one
See there,
island.
see there, see there, bird, baby. See there. Bird, bird.
So they can touch food from the tree, and even it's wide enough so he can catch food just mid of the air, just like that. Watch it out. Great! These birds are facing a lot of difficulties. Why? Because of the frustration that will lead to the habitat loss. And even because of hunting them, they are using them as food and ornament. The one moment they are vulnerable, but still they are not listed as endangered, but their number are decreasing. Put your hand together for our following group. But now, we're not yet done with the corner. We
Wow,
have the
yes.
national of Malaysia. Very soon, we have on stage Tim. Come on out, Tim. This is Tim, our main dinosaur model. He will show us now the next ingredient. During the breeding season, the female, she locked herself inside the tree cavity and she will cover it with mud and berries. But she will leave a small hole for the male so he can pass food for their babies. And when the oldest sheep is reached 3 weeks old,
Good, good.
the female,
Wow.
she will leave her nest like here. This is Wendy, our female rhinoceros. She will fly with the male and help them to find food for their babies. Can everyone see this thing on their head? This thing on their head? We call it a cast. It acts like a shampoo.
इसको वहाँ जाना है।
This one will help them to have a longer nose. These birds are quite shaggy. Their whole range will start from deep sound till praise like monkeys, toots, and camels. I know it's not easy, you can see their eyelashes, but they do have eyelashes that will protect their eyes from dust and berries. Now, everything okay? Yeah? Now we need one volunteer to join us now on stage. An adult volunteer, please. Yes?
बड़े होना स्कूली में
See the color? Correct. So the male one they have red color and the female they have white color. Put your hand together for the male rhinoceros play together with Fatma. And now you have the chance to make a picture with the female. Wendy, just raise your hand like that. Yes. You have the chance to take a picture and you feed the female rhinoceros. Just like that. Good job. Thank you very much for joining us and enjoy the rest of the show. Let's move on now. But from the Amazon, we have a visitor. Who's the next visitor? Can you guess? From Amazon. Let's welcome on stage the Amazon parrots. Now on stage we have the cutest, intelligent, and smart and talkative bird. The Amazon, they are very talkative. They can emit a lot of sounds and noises. And they are so cute with this beautiful velvet color. And you know they are very intelligent birds. If they are left alone, they will feel lonely and sad. Because of all these characteristics, these birds are facing a lot of difficulties to survive. Why? Because of the illegal pet trade, they are hunting counting them and take them to the illegal battery to sell them. You know, 18 out of 31 are already extinct in the wild. So, if you want to see more these beautiful creatures, make sure not buy from the illegal battery. Put your hand together for our beautiful Amazon parrot. Now, this is my favorite part in the show. In this segment, we will have a group of birds. They will be flying all over the theater. But first, I need your help to count with me. Can you do that? Let's start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, Ella. That was fun, right? Yeah? I can see you. That was fun.
Yay!
If you want to see more animals and more show, we have also at the Asia Village and the Big Theater the amazing creature of the virtue that will be held at 1 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And don't miss the Raptor show just here next to us in the Raptor Square that will be at 4:30. So be there and don't miss it. But here, we're not done yet. Do you want to see more color on the area? Yeah? You want to see more color? Good. So let's bring out the vocals. Without any doubt, the macaws are the most beautiful creature in our planet. With their beautiful colors, from the striking blue to the vibrant red, majority of the macaws are facing also a lot of difficulties to survive because of the deforestation that will lead to the habitat loss and even because of the illegal bag trade. The numbers are decreasing, but still, there is always hope. Conservation will be always an important part of the voice of our mission, and we can do that as well by not buying from the illegal factory and by supporting the center and even by disposing the trash in the correct trash bin. That will be a big difference. Remember that these birds, they need our help, so we should join our hands together to make them survive and be safe. On behalf of our animal friends, the birds, the trainers, the voice of our